Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how you can log in into your online banking account of Santander Bank through your mobile phone or using your mobile application. So first of all, you'll have to download the banking application from the Play Store. So once you're done installing it, all you have to do is tap on it. So on the other page, there are two different options. That is, I'm already a customer, log on. And then the next one is I'm new to Santander Bank. So then in order to log in, you'll have to tap on I'm already a customer. So just tap on it. So on the other page, there are terms and conditions. So make sure to go through it all. And once you've gone through it, so then tap on accept, which is in the bottom right corner. So last but not the least, now you'll have to enter your ID. So then make sure to enter your correct login information. So first of all, you'll have to enter your ID, and after that you tap on continue. And on the other page, you'll have to enter your password that is associated with your mobile banking account of Santander Bank. If the provided information is correct, on the other page you will successfully log in into your mobile banking account of Santander Bank. So that is how you can log in into your mobile banking account of Santander. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.